I've been using CapCut for free for more than a year. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get CapCut and use it for free for over a year now. There hasn't been any issue, and you too can do the same, because it's actually very difficult for most, especially when you are a small creator trying to grow your YouTube channel, and most especially one of the simplest or easiest software which a whole lot of new creators understand, which they know they can use, is actually CapCut. And at times, once you are unable to be able to get these CapCuts, be able to use all the features, all the transition features, effect and all that, is actually going to affect you from being able to explore all the things that is needed for your YouTube growth. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get these CapCut for free, and there's actually two ways in which you can be able to do this. I'm going to be showing you the first one. I'm also going to be showing you the second one, in which somehow I myself I prefer, because that's actually the main one in which I've been using for over a year now. So let's dive into today's video. So now, one of the first things which you want to do is to be able to go to your Play Store and turn off Play Protect, which I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be doing all these things. So now, once you turn off your Play Protect, now the main reason or essence of turning off this Play Protect is to avoid updates, because whenever there's Play Store itself usually updates apps, and some people on their smartphone is already set as automatic. So once you are able to turn off this Play Protect, with that you can be able to apply any of the two methods which I'm going to be showing you on this video. So now, the first way to do this is to come to your Chrome browser, then come to the search bar and type these old CapCuts. Then it's going to pop up some old CapCut sites, which is what you're going to be doing. So once you type the old CapCut, it's going to bring up different things. And now, one of the first things which you will need to do is to go to this particular site, up to down, older version of CapCut. There are actually different types, different sites that is going to pop up. You can go to anyone, but let's give this one a try. Older version. Now once you click it, it's going to bring up different release dates of CapCut. So you need to be able to select the older one, because it's around 1 year ago, or 1 year and some months, CapCut started charging people for, before you can be able to use all the features. So we need to look for the older version, which is this year is 2026. So we need to look for, I think it's around 2024, they start charging people to be able to, before you can be able to use all those transition effects and all that video effect and all that. So we have to look for something around that 2024, which is actually the best. So we need to scroll down. So once we are able to get the particular one which we are looking for, then we'll just click on it, and I'm going to be showing you what you're going to be doing next. So we need to look for the 2024. So we click down to be able to get more of the yearly version, and you can see all these are old updates of CapCut. So we also need to come to see more to be able to get the actual one in which we are looking for. Then you also come to see more. So you just need to keep scrolling down until you get the old one. So this is 2024, so we need to pick one of the months. You can pick any of the months, or we'll pick this particular one, June or March or February 2024. So we need to look for the one in which we're going to take that is going to work. Most especially this particular one, November. I think this one is somehow okay, but let's still check for more, then see if we can. You can see the APK, that is the main file. So we selected one, which is this. So the next thing which we're going to do is to just install this CapCut. You don't need to download it and install it. You don't need to worry yourself about creating an account or all that. You can either decide to create an account. So we download it. You're going to click on this download. So you can decide to either create a login as your CapCut once the CapCut is installed on your Android smartphone. Please note, this is mainly for Android smartphone, not for iOS smartphone. So you can see it's actually been downloaded into my phone. So once you finish download it, you install it, do the necessary setup, and start using this feature. Now please note, make sure you don't update the app. This is actually one way in which you can be able to avoid the paid features to be applied to this particular old CapCut version. So that's just what you need to do. So once it's finished downloading, you just install it and start using it for your project and all that. So this is one of the first way in which you are going to be able to get CapCut or use CapCut for free. And I'm going to be showing you the second method, which is actually somehow good, because with that you don't need to keep or go and be looking for the older version of CapCut. You don't need to go through all this process. With that, they usually update the sites most times whenever there is new update, and with that you get to enjoy most of the new features. That is actually a particular different type which I'm going to be showing you on this video. So stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a like, share and subscribe to this channel, and let's dive into the second one. Now the second one is somehow similar but is actually different, because it's in a different method which you are going to be using to actually do that. So I'm going to be showing you how you start with that particular one. So if you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe. Now the second method is come to your Chrome browser and type this, go to this particular site, modder.me. This is actually the site in which you just need to go. You don't need to go through searching for old version of CapCut and all that. So just come to this site and search for CapCut app. They have different particular apps in which you're going to come across at this site. So you just look for, scroll down, you're going to see CapCut. So what you're going to be doing is to install this CapCut, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do and the steps in which you need to take. Now you can see what I'm doing. Just follow the steps of everything I'm doing. It has located the CapCut. Then the next thing you need to do is to install it, but you need to take note that while installing these things, some ads are going to pop up. So you just close the ads, then come back to the particular CapCut in which you want to download. So you just come here, then you click on at the top, which is download. So it's going to take you to different page, but don't forget ads will keep popping up. Just as you can see, I'm coming back to the particular site. So the next thing in which you need to do is to come to this particular part, which is the download CapCut 16.3. So you click it, it's going to start downloading, and this is actually very easy. But the only problem with this particular one is the ads that keep popping up. So you just close the ads, then you come to the download and it will start downloading, but the ads might still pop up again while you are trying to do that. So just close the browser, then try to keep clicking it until it will pop up that is downloading the CapCut, and with that you are free. So this is the only issue that you will have with this site, because it will keep popping up ads and all that. So you can see at the down, it has already started downloading because I clicked on the download. You can see it here, it has already been downloading, and you can see the size of the file also. So this is how you get CapCut. Now with this, you don't need to worry yourself about anything about looking for old CapCut. And if there is new updates, because at times there's actually new updates, this site keeps updates, so you need to be able to save this video for future purpose, so that whenever there is new updates, you just need to come to this video, know how to do it, then go to the site. So you can see it's downloaded and it's already installed. You don't need to go through any process. You don't need to sign into any account or anything like that. Just download it, install it into your phone, then start using all the effects. You can see all these ones, it is open, it's not asking me for money or anything. So this is actually one of the ways in which I've been using CapCut for free for over a year now, and I've not paid any money. Now imagine I'm paying money to be able to use all these features on CapCut. You can see that it will cost me a whole lot of money, most especially if you are a new beginner or a beginner that is trying to grow up your social media accounts like your YouTube, TikTok and all that. So it's going to cost you more. But with this particular video, it has really helped me to be able to save money and be able to use CapCut and every other features which is on CapCut for free. So this is how you are going to get, or you will get CapCut for free. You can see all the transition effects, features and all that. A lot of them are open. All you just need to do is to connect internet, and with that you can be able to do whatsoever in which you want to do. So thank you for watching. I believe you find this video interesting, and make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe. I have a whole lot of videos coming your way, so give it like and subscribe. Thank you.